Alright out there, guys, it is another hot day here in Southern California. This morning on the way to work we had lightning storms. Yeah, a little rain out where I was working. It was wet in the morning, but it didn't rain on us all day. Here at home it's dry, but my light bar came in, so I'm trying to make a quick video just to show you what this light bar looks like. Okay, so this is the light bar from Carr light bar, made in USA, you know. It's basically the bar end brackets. There's little rubber, see, it's got this little rubber thingy here. Okay. These are cast, so you got those, and that's basically it. You got the hardware here. It's got your holes pre-drilled for mounting your lights or whatever you want to mount on there, and these are slotted for the ends depending on how wide of a bar you need. Okay, you need to measure this and cut it to fit on each side so everything lines up center, right? You don't want to cut it on one side, then nothing's going to line up. Your lights are going to be off to one side or another unless you want to make more holes in it. But that's basically it. There is a mounting kit for this that's optional, but you need it for this truck. These are for gutter mounts. You know, the old trucks with the rain gutter? I'm going to show you that right now, like I have on the Bronco. So let's go walk in the backyard and we'll take a look at the Bronco. There are no gutter mounts. You know, gutter on these new trucks don't have a rain gutter. The Bronco has a rain gutter. So here's my 1995 Ford Bronco with a Carr light bar on it. This is the Stealth Bar by Carr, and it's got the rain gutter mount. This is the rain gutter, and this is the rain gutter mount. It fits inside the gutter there, and then it clamps on with these here, keep it tight. Now you see a little scrape there that happened when I rolled the truck over 2 years ago. Tweaked the light bar just a little bit, but I was able to reuse it and fit it back up. Very nice bar. I'm running 4 KC daylighters with 75 watt HID kits. That's what those black boxes are on there. You probably can't see because the sun's shining right at me. I wanted you to see the whole setup here from a different perspective, and the light from the sun is now shining behind me. But yeah, that's how I mounted the ballast for the lights. And this is the this is the bracket for the Stealth Bar on my Bronco. This is the one for the Colorado. Quite puny. This is only rated at 20 pounds. Wow. Oh yeah, this would work on this truck too, I guess. This is the low profile light bar, so maybe that's why it sits so low. I guess it would work on this truck. It'd probably be touching the top though. Something to think about. As you can see, my HID lights are pretty tight as it is, the ballast, but this is sturdy. This thing is heavy. I forget what it weighs, but with one hand, 25 pounds maybe a little more. Let's see. Anywho, alright, so this is the top of the Colorado here, and because it doesn't have a gutter, it comes with these brackets. So this is just a rough look at this. Don't take my word at it, but they're going to mount something like that. Alright. And that bracket up there, this is going to be just like the gutter, so hang on here. Alright, so you get it. So then that goes on top of that. So you're going to have to drill 4 holes down where my thumb is and make sure that bracket clears your door when your door closes. But yeah, it looks like it's going to work pretty good. Location wise, y'all probably want to locate this farther back so you don't get a lot of reflection off your hood if you're running lights. So but that's going to be up in the air. We'll see when the lights get here. I don't want it too far back because they don't make those glare guards like I got on the Bronco. That's going to mount on there like that. We'll see. I'm going to mount that antenna on this too eventually. So that's about it. What else can I tell you? I was gee, I was hoping the lights would be here so I could show you the lights too, but I guess you're gonna have to wait for another video. Yeah.